The origami tulip has a surprisingly rich history. Even though it's often one of the first models taught to beginners, its shape holds a special place in the evolution of paper folding. Origami, which began as a ceremonial practice in Japan, started to spread as a creative pastime during the Edo period between the 1600s and 1800s.
Oops, quick interruption. If you're having fun or just pretending you are, hit that like button and subscribe.
It was in that era that paper became more accessible. As a result, new models began to emerge. Among them were floral shapes, simple yet full of meaning. Unlike the crane, a symbol of traditional origami and longevity, the tulip has more modern origins. It was inspired by the real flower, introduced to Japan from Western Asia. With its clean and symmetrical silhouette, the tulip quickly captured attention for its balance and versatility. It was simple enough to teach children, yet elegant enough to use in decorations, greeting cards, gifts, and even wearable pieces. Over time, the tulip has been reimagined in many ways. Some have simplified it as much as possible. Others have made it more complex or modular. But one thing has remained constant: its universal appeal. Today, it is often used in origami jewelry, where lightness, form, and symbolism come together. Worn as earrings or as a small pendant, this folded flower holds more than aesthetic value. It tells a story of tradition, care, and the quiet joy of creating something by hand. If you're new to folding, it's a good idea to start by making the individual parts, like the tulips on the base, using larger sheets of paper. As you gain confidence, you can gradually scale them down. At this point, the construction begins to take shape. The 3 tulips folded using the same technique show subtle differences. One may be more open, another more compact. They have character, not perfection. And that's exactly what makes them authentic. metal wires are prepared, they are thin and flexible. They're shaped gently by hand and become stems, connecting the flowers to the base. They support the structure and create a visual contrast between the shine of the metal and the softness of the paper. The little vase, built using modular origami, takes shape by interlocking identical units. Each one fits precisely, without glue or cuts. This creates a geometric form that both supports and decorates. A base that's stable, yet visually light. One by one, the stems are inserted into the vase. The flowers naturally find their place, each one settling into its own space. They don't overlap. They don't compete. The arrangement finds a spontaneous balance between intention and gesture. The contrast between the soft curves of the petals and the clean structure of the base creates a beautifully harmonious effect. Finally, the last detail is added. A small earring hook transforms the entire project into a wearable piece of jewelry, a simple gesture, yet a defining one. That's the moment when the folded paper becomes an object, the form becomes meaning. Every pair of earrings will always be different. Even when following the same steps, every hand introduces variation. And within those small differences, the true value is often found.
Wait a moment. How are you doing? Is it getting tricky with all the folds? Don't worry. It just takes a bit of practice, but you've got this. If you need help, just leave a comment below. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now, let's move on to the next model.
What makes origami jewelry so captivating isn't just the way it looks, it's what it represents. Paper, a material we usually see as fragile or temporary, becomes durable, expressive, and even intimate when folded with care. Wearing an origami tulip isn't about making a fashion statement, it's about carrying a story of tradition, of mindfulness, of the quiet patience behind every fold. In a world that often moves too fast, creating and wearing something made by hand from a single sheet of paper becomes a small act of intention. A way to slow down, a way to connect. And perhaps that's the greatest beauty of origami. It reminds us that even the simplest materials can hold incredible meaning if we take the time to shape them. Now, I'll leave you to create in peace. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more like this, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and give it a like. Thanks so much for watching until the end. See you soon!
Oops, quick interruption. If you're having fun or just pretending you are, hit that like button and subscribe.